Hello students, today I am going to introduce about the next topic of P block element, that is shapes of xenon oxides and xenon oxyfluorides. Now the shape of oxygen that containing the compounds of xenon that are explained on the basis of VSEPR theory. VSEPR theory. What do you mean by VSEPR theory? Valence, shell, electron, pair, repulsion theory. Okay. In this case, the pi electrons that must be subtracted in counting the total number of electron pair in the valence shell of central atom. Like this. जैसे बेटा XeOF2 है. ओके, ये ऑक्सी कंपाउंड है. इसमें कितने पाई बॉन्ड है? पाई बॉन्ड कितना है? एक. देखो सबसे पहले हम कैसे निकालेंगे. सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, जीनोन का कंपाउंड्स लेंगे. जीनोन के वैलेंस में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स? 8, क्योंकि फुल्ली फिल्ड है. प्लस ऑक्सीजन में कितने हैं बेटा? हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स प्रेजेंट इन ऑक्सीजन एटम? ओके, 6. Plus how many valence electrons present in fluorine? 7. And here 2 fluorine is attached. 7 multiply 2, that is 8 plus 6 plus 14. This is 28. 28 by 8. 8 3 is 24. 4 remainder. Remainder को आप हमेशा 2 से डिवाइड करोगे. Then what will be? 5. It means it will show sp3d hybridization. Means 3 bond pair and 2 lone pair. Okay, 3 bond pair and 2 lone pair. Now the shape of this type of compound, that is it means 3 bond pair plus 2 lone pair are present here. Okay, now what is the shape of this type of compound? It should be trigonal bipyramidal, but due to presence of lone pair of due to sp3 hybridization, its shape is pentagonal bipyramidal, but due to the presence of 2 lone pair of electrons, its shape is distorted like this. This is xenon, okay, and having 2 lone pair, 1 lone pair and another lone pair, and here the oxygen atom is attached here, and this is fluorine and this is another fluorine. It means this is T-shaped geometry with sp3 dehybridization. Okay, 2 lone pair and 3 bond pair. It means how many pi bonds are present here? Pi bond is 1. Here 1 sigma and 1 pi bond is formed. Okay. Now next is second XeOF4. How many valence electrons in xenon? 8. Oxygen 6 plus fluorine 7. 7 4 ja 28. Means 8 plus 6 plus 28. That is 28 plus 8, that is 36. 36 plus 6, that is 42 by 8. It means this is 5 plus 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. Total is 6. 6 means this is sp3d2 hybridization. Okay, this will be formed. Now how many bond pair? Bond pair is 5 and 1 lone pair is present. Due to sp3d2 hybridization, its shape should be octahedral, but due to the presence of 1 lone pair of electrons, its shape is distorted. and it will form a square pyramidal geometry. Okay, this is lone pair like this. Xenon is present at the center, and here one fluorine is attached here. This fluorine, and these are having double bond, and oxygen. One lone pair is present. The shape is square pyramidal. Okay. Now next is how many pi bonds are present here. Pi bond is 1, is equal to 1. Okay. Now next is xenon Xzo3. Okay. Now how many valence electron in xenon? 8 plus oxygen 6 multiply 3 means 8 plus 18. This is 26 by 8. 2 by 2. It means this is equal to 1 and it is equal to 4. 4 means sp3 hybridization. Okay. So this is xenon, and here how many oxygen is present here? 3 oxygen is present here. Due to sp3 hybridization, its shape should be tetrahedral, but due to presence of one lone pair of electrons, its shape will be distorted. Okay, and its shape is pyramidal shape. Okay beta, pyramidal shape with sp3 hybridization. It has three bond pair and one lone pair is present. Okay. Now next is Xzo4, xenon oxyfluoride है ये भी. Xzo4 सॉरी xenon oxyfluorides. ठीक है. इसमें देखो बेटा ये ऑक्साइड्स की फॉर्म है, इसमें फ्लोराइड एब्सेंट होता है. ठीक है, तो इसको हम कैसे बनाएंगे? हाउ मेनी वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स? 8 प्लस इन ऑक्सीजन 6 मल्टीप्लाई 4 देन 8 प्लस 24 दैट इज इक्वल टू 32. 32 by 8 that is 4, and it means it is sp3 hybridization. Okay, then what will be the shape and geometry? तो देखो बेटा ये xenon है, all are bond pair but no lone pair is present here. It means it is denoted by this, means it will form a tetrahedral shape. Okay, कौन सी shape बेटा? Tetrahedral shape is formed here. Tetrahedral shape with sp3 hybridization, but no lone pair of electrons is present. Okay. Now the next xenon oxyfluoride is XeO2F2. So in this case, xenon having 8 electrons, oxygen that is 6 multiply to 12 plus fluorine is 7 multiply to that is 14. 12 or 14, 26 plus 8 that is 34. Divide by 8. 8 4 ja 24. And how many remainder? 2 divided by 2 that is equal to 1, means total is 5. It means it is sp3d hybridization. Okay. Now it has only bond pair, means 5 bond pair are present but no lone pair is present. Okay, so this is xenon. It means this one form here the oxygen, 2 oxygen, and here 2 fluorine is attached here, हाँ, in this molecule 4 bond pair and 1 lone pair is present. Okay, total electron pair is 5. It means 1 lone pair is present here, and this is fluorine, and this is also a fluorine. It means this is sp3d hybridization due to the presence of 1 lone pair. Its shape is seesaw shape. Okay, seesaw shape. Now in this molecule, how many pi bonds are present here? Now pi bonds are 2 pi bonds are present. Okay, one is here and another is here. Okay, now next is, what is the uses of these gases? Uses of helium. Helium is light and non-flammable. It is used in filling the airships and balloons for weather study. Okay, now helium is not soluble in the blood even under a very high pressure, but a mixture of 80% helium and 20% oxygen is used by the divers for respiration. Okay, now next is, helium is used in research work for maintaining at very low temperature. Okay, now helium is filled in tubes of aeroplane tires. ठीक है, जो एरोप्लेन के टायर्स होते हैं उनकी ट्यूब्स में भी हम क्या फिल करते हैं, ठीक है, हीलियम गैस फिल करते हैं. नाउ हीलियम इज यूज्ड इन द फूड प्रिजर्वेशन. ओके, फूड प्रिजर्वेशन. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज आर्गन. Argon is used for filling the metal filament electric bulb. Okay, it is also used for filling the radio valves, rectifiers. ठीक है, and it is used in producing the inert atmosphere during the welding and extraction of various metals. Okay, now next is neon. Neon is used in discharge lamps and sign. Okay, it is used in safety devices for protecting the electrical instruments. Okay, now next is krypton and xenon. These gases are used in filling the metal filaments electric bulb. Okay, now next is radon. Radon is used in the radiotherapy of cancer. फर्स्ट कहाँ यूज होता है, रेडियोथेरेपी ऑफ कैंसर. इट इज़ ऑल्सो यूज टू चेक द डिफेक्ट इन द स्टील कास्टिंग. ओके, एंड फोटोग्राफी में भी किसका यूज़ होता है, फोटोग्राफिक जो मटेरियल होते हैं अंदर वो भी किसकी सहायता से बना होता है, रेडॉन की सहायता से बना होता है. ओके, नाउ दीज आर द मेन यूजेस ऑफ दिस गैसेस. Now some important questions related to the chapter P block elements. Now the first question is कि why neon is used for warning signal. neon को हम warning signal में क्यों यूज़ करते हैं. देखो बेटा, जो neon light होती है that are visible from a long distance, मीन्स चाहे फोग हो चाहे मिस्ट हो, लेकिन फिर भी वो हमें एक लंबे डिस्टेंस से विजिबल हो जाती है, इसलिए उसको हम वार्निंग सिग्नल में यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, नाउ सेकंड क्वेश्चन है बेटा कि जो नियॉन है, सॉरी जो नोबल गैसेस होती हैं दैट फॉर्म कंपाउंड्स विद फ्लोरीन एंड ऑक्सीजन. मीन्स जो नोबल गैसेस होती हैं वो सिर्फ फ्लोरीन एंड ऑक्सीजन के साथ ही कंपाउंड बनाती हैं. ऐसा क्यों? क्योंकि बेटा जो फ्लोरीन एंड ऑक्सीजन होते हैं दैट आर मोस्ट इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एंड दे आर वेरी रिएक्टिव. so they form compounds with noble gases. Okay, now next is third, xenon does not form Xef3 और Xef5. वाई? देखो, क्योंकि जो जीनोन होता है बेटा, उसमें ऑल इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर पेयर्ड अप. ठीक है, सारे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पेयर्ड अप होते हैं. सो जब एक्साइटेशन होती है 1, 2 और 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की, तो वो क्या देते हैं, इट गिव 2, 4 एंड 6 हाफ फिल्ड ऑर्बिटल. सो इट ओनली फॉर्म Xef2, Xef4, Xef6, but not Xef3 or Xef5. Okay, now fourth is, out of noble gases only xenon is known to form a compounds, because जो आपका रेडोन होता है वो रेडियो एक्टिव होता है, और जो अदर नोबल गैसेस होती हैं जीनोन की, उनकी एनर्जी बेटा, आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी बहुत ही लेस होती है, मीन्स कम होती है. दैट्स वाई ओनली जीनोन फॉर्म दिस टाइप ऑफ कंपाउंड्स. ओके, now this is the chapter of p block element. Thank you students.